Shabba, from Pampana to Waterloo, this I get to you point of view. Trying to show.
Nation, once about Adrian back in the building with another episode, another review, another Vybz Kartel banger. You see me, I say, wanna tell me what you think about this track, Be Brave by Vybz Kartel. Look up Vybz and look up Addi.
Dream big. Get the youth and I see the great things where we did. Take care of the elderly and feed kids. Making money is a code.
Nation, me have to say, I love to see what Vybz Kartel I do right now. You see me, I say, Vybz Kartel now I'm peaking and top level in career right now. And I'm God level in career. You see me, I say, I'm like this to see him because the last time I see Vybz Kartel, I want a music video and I want a song where I really hit. It was summertime back in the days. You see me, I say, but him son never did them and they look happy in them video there. No dog look real happy in that video. You see me, I say, so I salute to Vybz Kartel, dog. You deserve everything, you know.
Diamonds and nice Benz, live your life, yeah. Even for a night, be brave, and you will love it.
Nation, dog, I say you get a youth, hold up on the head, dog, dream big. You see me, I say, sky's the limit, and you see what him did. A great man work that, bro. You see me, I say, the time I have to salute to Vybz Kartel one more time, dog. If you keep on dropping banger like this, bangers after banger, you see me, I say, from God is the greatest coming. I'm telling you, bro, be brave. So, massacre, if you learn some things and go on them thing, and one thing about life, you know, patience is key. You see me, I say, no rush nothing, you get a youth. Just go on, open the head and dream big. Put in your work, you see me?
Look, guys come for do and see that them kill cry. When a great man fall, the coward a reach. That's the everywhere, so use up your 3 eyes. Dream big. Get the youth and I see the great things where we did. Take care of the elderly and feed kids. Making money is a code, me I give you the secret. You're not rushing off to do it big. And yeah, representing for all the beautiful ladies. You're the one for me, and I'm the one for you. You're the one for me, and I wanna be with you. First time I saw you, you caught my attention. I could not.
So, yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean? Until next time, guys, we out.